welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's always on the lookout for top-notch beauty tools, you know how important it is to find equipment that's not only functional, but also comfortable. Today, we're reviewing a product that promises both. The BestMassage Portable Massage Table, a lightweight adjustable bed designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Now let's get into the details. This portable massage table, weighing just about 32 pounds, is designed with convenience in mind. No tools are required for setup, making it an ideal option for traveling professionals. Simply unfold it, and the legs automatically fall into place. It's a time saver for sure, which is always a plus when you're on the go. But what about comfort and durability? Well, this massage table doesn't disappoint. With a 2-inch thick sponge padding, it provides a soft, plush experience, whether you're using it for a facial or a full-body massage. The high-quality beech wood frame, reinforced with hardwood corner blocks, ensures that the table can support up to 450 pounds, solid, reliable, and built to last. One feature worth mentioning is the height adjustability. This table allows you to modify the height anywhere from 24-inch to 34-inch, making it easy for you to tailor it to your comfort or the needs of the client. It's a simple adjustment process with knobs at the base, which is a small detail but adds to the overall user-friendliness. When it comes to portability, this table is a dream. Not only is it lightweight, but it also comes with a durable carrying case, making it even easier to transport. If you're a traveling esthetician, massage therapist, or beauty professional, this feature will be invaluable. As for the materials, the table's cover is draped in luxurious PVC leather. It's soft, durable, and importantly, it doesn't have that strong synthetic smell some other tables can have. This makes for a more pleasant experience right from the moment you unbox it. Now, no product is without its flaws. The table's relatively thin padding might not be ideal for those who are looking for a super plush experience, especially for clients who require a lot of comfort. Also, while the table is sturdy enough, you should be mindful of the weight distribution when adjusting the height, as the legs do need to be properly locked in place to maintain balance. Is it worth the price? Considering the overall quality, especially for those who need a portable and easy-to-use option, this table is definitely worth it. It might not be the highest-end option on the market, but for the price, it's a reliable choice for professionals. In terms of customer support, I didn't have any direct experience with them, but based on the overall construction and customer feedback, the brand seems to have a good reputation for delivering what they promise. If you're considering alternatives, there are other massage tables out there that may offer thicker padding or more luxurious materials, but they tend to be much heavier or more expensive. This one strikes a nice balance between cost and functionality, especially for those who need portability. In conclusion, if you're in need of a massage table that's easy to transport, sturdy, and gets the job done without breaking the bank, the BestMassage Portable Massage Table is a solid option. It's particularly ideal for those in the beauty and wellness industry who frequently travel or need a practical solution for home use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the description for a link to purchase this product. If you've used this massage table or have any experiences to share, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.